This is not just a story. This is a mirror. And if you are watching from the United States, working hard, feeling tired, questioning your direction, this story is especially for you. The boy was sitting alone outside a small train station. Somewhere people rarely noticed. His name was Daniel. He was 22 years old. At least, that's what his ID said. Inside, he felt much older. He had grown up believing that if he worked hard, life would eventually reward him. That's what he was told. That's what everyone said. Go to school. Follow the rules. Stay patient. Success will come. But Daniel did all of that. And still, nothing came. He failed important exams. Not because he was lazy, but because fear always showed up first. He applied for jobs. Dozens of them? The replies were always the same. We'll get back to you? They never did. Friends moved forward. Careers. Relationships. New cities. Daniel stayed in the same place, watching time move. Like a train he never managed to catch. That afternoon, he wasn't waiting for anything. He wasn't going anywhere. He was just sitting there, staring at the ground, wondering when exactly his life stopped feeling like his own. That's when an old man sat beside him. The man walked slowly, using a wooden cane. His clothes were simple, nothing expensive, nothing impressive, but his eyes were calm, clear, present. You look like someone who's fighting a battle. No one else can see, the old man said. Daniel didn't answer. The old man nodded. That's okay. Silence usually means the pain is real. Minutes passed. Then Daniel spoke. I did everything right, he said. At least, I think I did. So why does my life feel wrong? The old man smiled slightly. Because doing things right and doing the right things are not always the same. Daniel looked at him, confused. What does that mean? He asked. It means, the old man replied, you can run your entire life and still end up lost. If you never choose a direction, Daniel sighed. I'm tired. I feel like I'm behind everyone. The old man leaned forward. Behind who? He asked. Everyone, Daniel said. People my age. They're building something. I'm just surviving. The old man shook his head slowly. Comparison is a dangerous habit, he said. It makes you measure your life using someone else's ruler. Daniel looked away. I'm scared of wasting time, he admitted. The old man pointed to a man rushing to catch a train. That man looks busy, he said. But busy doesn't mean meaningful. Speed doesn't mean direction. They sat quietly. When I was young, the old man continued. I thought success was money. Then I thought it was respect. Then I thought it was being needed. He paused. I was wrong every time. Daniel listened closely. I worked for decades, the man said. I was never home. I was always tired. I told myself I was building a future. He looked down at his hands. One day, my wife passed away, suddenly, and all my plans meant nothing. Daniel felt his chest tighten. I realized too late. The old man said that I was successful. In the wrong direction. Daniel swallowed. So, what should I do? He asked. Start over. No, the old man replied. Start honest. They stood up and began to walk. Let me tell you something important, the old man said. Life doesn't need you to be confident. It needs you to be consistent. They walked past closed shops, empty streets, small choices. The man continued, made daily, shape who you become, not motivation, not talent, discipline. They stopped at a crossroad. And stop waiting for permission, the old man said. No one is coming to give it. Daniel felt something change. Not excitement, not hope, clarity. Before leaving, the old man turned back. "One day," he said, "you'll realize you were never behind. You were being prepared." Then he walked away. Weeks passed. Daniel didn't become successful overnight, but he showed up every day. He failed again, but he didn't quit. Months later, Daniel sat on the same bench. A younger boy sat nearby, staring at the ground. Daniel smiled. "You look like someone who thinks he's running out of time," he said. And the lesson continued. If this story meant something to you, if it made you think, feel, or reflect, subscribe to the channel and stay with us for more stories like this. Your life is not over, and your story is still being written.